I've had some very interesting cases in my tenure here. Recently had one trucking accident. We obtained a video, horrific. Gentleman was pretty severely injured. He had 3 surgeries already and he has a 4th surgery coming up. It has totally affected his life. He doesn't like driving anymore. His wife was his sweetheart. They've been married for quite a while, and she does a lot to help take care of him. She came on the scene and saw the mess, the horrific damage to the vehicle he was in. Poor fellow, his life is never going to be the same. We do a lot of trucking cases. In dealing with the insurance company, first of all, they do research on plaintiffs, and they do research on plaintiffs' lawyers. So they researched the plaintiff and saw that he was a nice fellow. They did research on our firm and myself, saw that we have experience to handle these type cases. It's important to have a combination of enthusiasm and experience. You really need both to handle these types of large cases. The insurance company, they do a full history on you. They'll delve into everything. They will delve into your social media. So they were looking at our client's social media. Whatever he had, when everybody has Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. So if you get into an accident, first thing you got to do is be very careful what you put on your social media. We really recommend that you kind of shut it down. It does not help you. An insurance company gets it, and should there be anything, even you laughing and having a good time, it looks like at that moment you're not in that pain. They try to mislead the jury. We all have to learn that to an insurance company, everyone that's hurt is claim number. Claim number 24X137TY. Period. They don't care about you. You're not a human being. We care about you. To us, you're the human being. Our job is to present you as a human being. How is this poor human being been affected by this horrific event that often changes people's lives? You look and say, I'll tell you what, I'll give you $1 million or a life with no pain. Almost everybody says a life with no pain. Pain is something that alters your personality. It alters often relationships with your spouse or your children or even other social friends. All these things we learn about you because you are the most important thing here. What we want to present to an insurance carrier is you and how you are affected so that they can put it all together and say, gee, this poor fellow, poor girl deserves a really good amount of money. We got a very large multi-million-dollar verdict. As a result, all we do is try to get you some funds for your injuries. That's our goal.